Hi, I'm Stacy with Venture Accelerator Partners, and today I'll be talking about artificial intelligence in marketing, human intervention required. AI is reshaping marketing in multiple industries, including those with small businesses. AI-powered tools can analyze huge amounts of data, automate tasks, and enable personalization at scale. Some have asked, will human marketers become obsolete? AI is not a replacement for human marketers. It works best as a partner, and human intervention is required to use it successfully. The power of AI marketing. As I mentioned, AI can process large volumes of data, analytics, CRM, social media, to find patterns, enabling businesses to create highly effective strategies. It can also allow you to automate repetitive tasks, follow-up emails, social media posting, A/B testing, and it also empowers teams to focus on strategy, creativity, and relationships. At VA Partners, we're using tools like Jasper and ChatGPT for content ideation, blog frameworks, and social media copy. Here is where AI falls short. First, its lack of emotional intelligence. AI doesn't understand empathy or nuanced emotional context. Human marketers are needed to handle sensitive topics or emotionally complex messaging. Creativity and nuance gap. AI's creativity is limited by its training data. It tends to be derivative. Humans can bring original ideas, cultural awareness, and a unique brand voice. Ethical judgment and bias. AI can reflect dataset biases, demographics, geography, etc., but human oversight is needed to review and correct bias assumptions. We must ask, is what the AI suggests efficient and ethical? Collaborative future. The best strategy in looking ahead at how you might use AI is combining AI's analytical strengths with human creativity and oversight. At VA Partners, we share with clients how AI is used to increase efficiency and drive results. However, human review to validate and refine AI outputs is necessary. AI adoption is less intimidating when paired with a strong human judgment, and something that we should embrace. Some key takeaways. AI is a tool. It is not a replacement. AI is powerful but limited without human direction. Human intervention is essential for emotional intelligence, ethics, and creativity. The partnership model always wins. Teams that combine AI plus human expertise are way more efficient, creative, and trustworthy. Call to action. If you want to adopt AI into your marketing strategy, do it with human oversight. If you're looking for more support on this topic, please connect with us at vapartners.ca.